Where are you going, sweetie? You clapping? Caleb, you have become such a master clapper. This is Caleb playing with his little baby potty this morning, which has become his new favorite toy. Oh, are you sitting in the potty? Yeah. Dada's sleeping. But you're not sleeping though, are you? You are not sleeping. Alright, you got your potty in one hand. What are you going to put in the potty? Oh, cups. Well, it looks like that baby is almost crawling. Caleb, you keep turning away from the camera. Let's see. Hi, babe. As you can see, this little baby has become quite the little talker. Okay, Caleb. Say, hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi. Hi. All right. Okay. We'll see everyone later.